The majority of cruisers are leaving thousands on the cruise line's table without even realizing it. Right now in 2025, every cruise line from Carnival to Royal Caribbean is implementing new, hidden fees designed specifically to drain the fixed incomes of smart, seasoned travelers like you. If you don't know the 12 specific countermoves we're about to reveal, you are guaranteed to overpay. The price you think you're paying is a lie. This isn't generic advice. These are the confidential, expert-level hacks, tailored for retirees and multi-generational families, that top travelers use to claw back thousands. We're talking about shareholder credits, gratuity loopholes, and the one booking secret that forces the cruise line to cut you a check after you've booked your cabin. Don't book another cruise until you see the final, single zero-risk hack at the end. Stay with me till the end and guarantee yourself a cruise discount that almost no one else knows about. Let's start saving. Hack number 1, the 18-month early bird advantage. For the retiree and the smart family, your biggest saving tool is time. Cruise lines price the inventory based on demand, and demand is lowest the moment the itinerary is released, typically 18 to 24 months out. Secure your cabin the instant the booking window opens with the lowest available, non-refundable deposit. This locks in the cheapest base fare and guarantees you the best selection of prime cabin locations, which is critical if you require an accessible room, need connecting doors for family, or want to avoid noisy decks. The real power of this strategy is the ability to monitor the price. Every major line offers a price guarantee, up until final payment, usually 90 days out. If the cruise price drops, and it often does during slow sales cycles, you can simply call your travel agent and ask for the difference back in cash or onboard credit. This transforms the booking process from a risky transaction into a calculated investment that maximizes both savings and cabin choice. Hack number 2, master the shoulder and repositioning seasons. Traveling during peak high season, June to August, and the Christmas or New Year holidays, is a rookie financial mistake that forces you to compete with school calendars. Your savvy move is the shoulder season. Think of the weeks immediately following the back-to-school rush in late September, the transition months of early May, or the dead zone of January after the New Year spike. These weeks offer peak weather with 30 to 50% lower fares. For maximum value, look for repositioning cruises, like a transatlantic sailing from Barcelona to Miami. These are long, port-intensive itineraries that lines struggle to fill with traditional vacationers, giving you a deeply discounted fare per day, often under $50 per person. These voyages are tailor-made for seniors on a fixed income who have the flexible schedule to enjoy the extended sea days and unique, globe-spanning itineraries, delivering weeks of adventure for the price of one standard cruise. Hack number 3, the stockholder credit secret. This is pure, effortless corporate cashback, and it requires zero financial expertise. If you own a minimum of 100 shares of stock in any of the big 3 cruise companies, Carnival Corporation, Royal Caribbean Group, or Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings, you qualify for an onboard credit on every single sailing with that brand. This OBC ranges from $50 for short cruises up to $250 for sailings of 14 days or more. The stock doesn't even need to be profitable, you just need to hold the shares. To claim it, simply email your brokerage statement showing the 100+ shares to the cruise line's shareholder benefit desk after you've booked your cruise. The money is applied directly to your shipboard account. For a couple who sails twice a year on 10-day cruises, this single hack puts $400 to $500 back into their pocket annually, enough to cover every specialty coffee or souvenir. Hack number 4, the budget-friendly Big 3. Not all cruise lines are built for budget. They are built for specific demographics. If you are managing a fixed income and prioritize value, you must focus on MSC Cruises, Carnival, and Norwegian Cruise Line. MSC, for instance, has aggressively priced short cruises and offers a very strong senior club discount, up to 10% off the fare for guests over 65, making them an unbeatable European value leader. Carnival is the domestic powerhouse for base value, offering fantastic complimentary food options like Guy's Burgers and the Blue Iguana Cantina, minimizing specialty dining pressure. NCL frequently runs promotions bundling perks like specialty dining and Wi-Fi into a single low fare, eliminating the nickel and dime fear. The strategy here is choosing a line where the base fare is low and the complimentary food and entertainment is excellent. By selecting one of these lines, you start your vacation with a low overall cost, allowing you to use your fixed budget for quality experiences, not just the cost of passage. Hack number 5. The no drink package math. The all-inclusive drink package is the cruise line's single biggest onboard revenue trap. For the majority of retirees or light drinkers, it is almost never worth the cost. The math is simple. A package costs you $100 plus per person per day for the entire duration of the cruise, and you must both buy it. That's up to $1,400 for a 7-day sailing. To justify the cost, you must consume 6 to 8 alcoholic drinks and several specialty coffees or sodas every single day. Instead, be strategic. Bring your allowed 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult on embarkation day. Use the unlimited, complimentary drip coffee, tea, and water available at the main beverage stations. If you want a cocktail, pay the a la carte price. By using the free beverages and limiting yourself to 1 or 2 paid drinks a day, you will save hundreds of dollars that would have been wasted on days you were in port or simply didn't feel like drinking heavily. Hack number 6. Stop prepaying the gratuities. Prepaying gratuities is the easiest way to lose control of your budget and your right to reward excellent service. As the cruise line's mandatory daily service charges continue to climb, now exceeding $20 per person, prepaying locks you into a 100% corporate payroll obligation. Do not prepay. Once on board, visit the guest services desk and politely request that the automatic daily charge be removed from your folio. Then, use the cash you saved, which can be well over $300 for a couple on a 7-day cruise, to tip your cabin steward and main dining staff directly and generously at the end of the cruise. This ensures your money rewards individual excellence, not a faceless corporate entity. It gives you the ethical satisfaction of knowing your tip is going 100% to the person who served you, and it gives you the flexibility to withhold that tip on days where the service was genuinely lacking, maximizing your value. Hack number 7. DIY port excursions. Cruise line excursions are marked up a massive 30 to 50% to cover the ship's operational and commission costs. For any traveler who is reasonably mobile, especially retirees, this is unnecessary spending. The hack is to embrace the do-it-yourself port day. Use highly rated third-party tour operators. Look for companies like Shore Excursions Group or trusted local providers on sites like Viator for the exact same tour, often using the same buses at half the price. Better yet, simply research a key site near the port, take a local taxi, or utilize the public bus system. For historical ports like Florence or Rome, the best, most cost-effective excursion is the one you plan yourself with a simple guidebook and map. The key to this hack is time awareness. Always aim to be back on the ship at least 1 hour before the posted all-aboard time, ensuring you are never left behind, securing both huge savings and total control of your day. Hack number 8. Hidden dining and the embarkation day lunch. The cruise line wants you to panic book specialty dining packages because that's pure profit. The secret is that most modern ships have fantastic, complimentary, hidden dining gems that cost you $0. On Carnival, it's the included Guy's Burger joint and the best at sea Blue Iguana Cantina. On Royal Caribbean and Celebrity, look for the quiet, complimentary cafes or pizza venues hidden away from the main pool deck. The greatest dining hack, however, applies to embarkation day. While everyone else rushes the chaotic, crowded main buffet upon boarding, your strategic move is to head directly to the main dining room. It is often open for a quiet, full-service, complimentary lunch with a simplified menu, offering a stress-free, luxurious start to your vacation that immediately saves you from specialty dining pressure and the main buffet mayhem. Hack number 9. Always request the senior rate. This hack directly addresses the fixed income lifestyle. Cruise lines do have senior discounts, but they are often capacity controlled and not prominently advertised. The minimum qualifying age is typically 55 or 65. Always instruct your travel agent to check for two distinct fare codes, the senior rate and the resident rate, by state or country of residence. These fares are offered to fill cabins during low periods and can represent a significant percentage off the base fare. They require only one eligible person in the cabin to qualify the entire group. Because these fares sell out quickly, you need to book early and be flexible with your sailing dates. Never assume the published price is the best one. These rates are proof that asking for a targeted discount and proving your eligibility with a driver's license at check-in is a simple $300 plus savings maneuver available to almost every retiree. Hack number 10. The multi-generational third and fourth guest rule. For families traveling with grandkids, adult children, or a group of friends, this strategy is key to dropping your average per person cost dramatically. Cruise lines must price the first two guests high to cover the ship's fixed operational costs, but they often deeply discount the fares for the third and fourth guests in the same cabin, offering free or reduced fares for the third and fourth guest promotions. This is crucial for seniors traveling on a budget. For example, a $700 per person fare for the first two guests might drop to just $200 for the third and fourth. This is perfect for retirees traveling with adult children or a couple bringing along two grandchildren. By taking advantage of this third and fourth free passenger logic, the couple on a fixed income can cut their own share of the cabin costs by effectively offsetting the average price, turning an expensive family trip into a highly cost-effective multi-generational adventure. Hack number 11. The onboard booking bonus. The cruise line's goal is to ensure your next booking is with them before you even step off the ship, and you must use this urgency to your advantage. The hack is to visit the future cruise desk on a quiet sea day, usually midweek. Here, you can place a simple, low, refundable deposit for a placeholder or specific future sailing. Doing this while on board almost always guarantees you double the standard onboard credit and a significantly reduced deposit, saving you $200 to $300 on the next cruise before you even get off the first one. For the fixed-income traveler who plans cruises year to year, this is essentially a high-interest savings account. You secure a major financial perk for the future. The deposit is usually 100% refundable if you change your mind, and you gain $100 to $200 in instant credit to apply toward any future booking, making your next dream vacation dramatically cheaper. Hack number 12. The Wi-Fi and Spa Port Day Strategy. Our final, essential hack directly addresses two major onboard budget drains: internet and spa services. Instead of paying hundreds for an expensive, often slow cruise ship Wi-Fi package, plan to be fully unplugged during your sea days. The moment your ship docks in a port of call, use free, fast Wi-Fi at a local cafe, library, or port terminal. You can catch up on emails, upload photos, and call family over Wi-Fi calling apps for free, all while enjoying the local culture. Simultaneously, if you want to use the spa, never book on a sea day. Spa services, like massages and facials, are capacity controlled and are often heavily discounted, sometimes up to 40% off, when the ship is in port and most passengers are ashore. By using the free Wi-Fi in port and booking your deep tissue massage for the late afternoon of a port day, you eliminate two major onboard expenses with one simple, strategic move. This low-stress approach is perfect for the retiree lifestyle that prioritizes mindful spending and relaxation. So there you have it, 12 strategic cruise hacks designed to save you thousands of dollars in 2025. This entire video proves that smart cruising, especially on a fixed income, isn't about skipping the fun. It's about outsmarting the system and demanding value. Every hack we shared, from locking in the senior rate the minute the itinerary drops, to bypassing the drink package trap and claiming your shareholder credit, puts hundreds of dollars directly back into your pocket. Remember, the ultimate financial benefit of cruising is having your accommodation, food, and transport included. Your mission now is to protect that base value from unnecessary onboard spending. Utilize the future cruise credit to secure your next trip cheaper, And never forget the power of cash tipping to control your budget and reward true excellence. If you are a retiree, a senior, or a family planning a 2025 cruise on a budget, these 12 moves are the financial security blanket you need. Until next time, take care and happy cruising.